Greetings. Hope everybody is fine. So today I've brought a plugin here, the Nyabhingi drums by Mr. DKTV, as you can see right here. It's a very good plugin for reggae, especially if you are doing the chanting kind of reggae and also roots reggae. Apart from whatever he has brought, he also provides bonus loops which you can use to create your drumming session when you're making your chant reggae or roots reggae music. So let's just have a quick look of the plugin, and I can just demonstrate in few minutes, but I'll leave you a link if you are interested in it. It's a very good plugin. So without wasting your time, this is Willa Wills, and subscribe. There's more about reggae on this channel. Salute. Alright, so here's the plugin. As you can see, there are different sections here. So you have the distortion control panel, and it has got 3 controls: the mix, the gain, the drive. So you can be very flexible to control the distortion. And then you have the reverb control section, which has got 3 control panels: the mix, the size, the damping, and width. And then you have the delay section again, which has got 3 controls as well. And you can switch on and off. By default, it's off. So you can do a number of things based on what you are liking. And then you have the keyboard itself, demonstrating each time you play the keyboard. The key layout is on white keys only. You wanted the players to have a quick access to the keys. Seeing? So yeah, that's it. So this is the drum, the bigger drum, the thunder one. So look at this. These are the faders, and you can pan left, you can pan it light, you can tune. You see? So basically that is it. You can see how controllable this is. Alright, so that's it. On the other hand, the same with the funde. So this is the funde. You do the same. You can tune, you can pan it left, you can pan it right. So it's very nice. And then you have the reverb. So this is the reverb mix. The size you can change how you want it to sound. The width. So let's say on the size, if you want so much, this is what you can hear. And if you want a little of it, you can control on the mix here. So this is the repeater. You can change. So alright, so yeah, that's it. And then you have the volume control meters. Each time you play, the meters are indicating. If you are distorting, it will show you that you are distorting. So basically that is it. And then you can also maneuver section 1. You see, you can maneuver. There are 3 here, so you can maneuver. 1 is the one, the default one. Then you have the second one, and then you have the third one. Yeah, basically that is it. So it's a very nice. Yeah, concerning the installation, I will leave the video from Mr. DK. So he demonstrates on how you can install the plugin. Yeah, so yeah, this is the Nyabhingi drum from Premium Sounds, developed by Mr. DK. So let's have a look and see what I've done here. And yeah, just to demonstrate how good this drum is. Yeah, so just to check on it, I created something here, just a sample. You can hear it's typical, so you can play around with every control here. I'm just introducing the plugin, and because I'm a user, so I'm doing it the user's way. So I hope you get what I'm talking about. So basically that is what this drum is all about. Yeah, so and there's also MIDI output, input and output. You can load it to your DAW, whatever the DAW that you're using. Yeah, but meanwhile I'm just gonna leave it here. And there is also velocity, normal, weak and strong. So it depends on what you're doing to choose the kind of, you can choose it. I would leave it on normal, just like that. So let's say you wanna lay something. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this is just a simple chant just to demonstrate how you can use this. Yeah, this is just a simple demonstration. You can chop, you can do whatever. This kind of, it's up to you. You know what I mean? It's up to you. So let me add some of the loops that you get from him. Very nice. There's a lot. It's all about experimenting some of these things. Normally chant reggae is just playing without doing anything in most cases, but sometimes you can do the strime as well if you want. It depends on what you are looking for and your preference. Yeah, so I'm using this plugin Flex. I made a video last week. If you haven't checked, check it. It's down here. It's a very good plugin for everything. This on the mixer quick. See? Yeah, very nice drum, very nice. So yeah, that's it. Nyabhingi drums. Get your copy and enjoy making good reggae music. Saying this is what I prepared. So thank you so much, guys, for watching. I've not done like, you know what I mean? It's just like my culture. I didn't want just to do something so simple. I just wanted to show that you can do something better with anything. So this is the best. To me, I'm really liking it. The moment you started talking to me, I checked the plugin. I was like, no, this is a good product, bro. Definitely. I got it, and here we are right now. You understand? If you're new to the channel, this is what I use, and this is what I do, and this is what we do on this channel. Subscribe and enjoy reggae tutorials, dancehall tutorials. Yeah, I also have some drum samples. If you would like, I'll leave the email address. You can contact me. And also, if you want production services, we can talk. Reggae is life. Let's do reggae. Salute. Big up.